What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A. I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are doing good on this Thursday. Today I'm going to give you guys a portfolio update on how my portfolios are doing with crypto, Acorns, Robinhood. And obviously, if you guys saw my short the other day, my Yotta savings account has hit $3,000. I'm going to actually show you guys that real quick. So the savings account with Yotta hit $3,005 this past week. I have a recurring transfer of $30 every 2 weeks in here. So it just goes to show you how much little amounts putting into a savings account can build up over time. Obviously it took me maybe like a good year and a half to build $3,000. But either way, 3,000 is better than having nothing in a savings account for whatever emergencies, and this is basically what I have it for. So $3,000 in the Yotta savings account, definitely a great app to have for a savings account. I currently have 120 tickets. You can see the last 7 days I've won $1.22. All time I've won $41.89. So I have 120 tickets for every night's drawing. And if you guys want to check out the app, definitely check it out with my link down below. You can sign up and we will both get free tickets if you do. So you can win up to $1 million if you match all of your 6 numbers to the winning tickets that they pull out every night. And that's the grand prize. So definitely check that out. $3,000 in the Yotta savings account. So let's get right to crypto. Now, yesterday I did get paid and I threw money in there. I threw money into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, which are my 3 plays in my crypto portfolio here. You can see the crypto portfolio at $6,425. In the past month, it's been down $703. In the 6 months, it's been up $609. Year to date, it's been up $1,905. In the past year, it's been up $831. And max all time down $350. So you can see in the long term, we'll talk about 6 months, it's definitely up, especially in the past year, it's up 42%, which isn't too bad. That's the great thing about dollar cost averaging into cryptocurrency. When we do have those big amounts of pullbacks, when Bitcoin pulls back to like 25, 24, and you're definitely buying in at those those prices, then it's definitely a great buying opportunity, and that's how you could bring your average cost down with Bitcoin and any other play. So you can see right now Bitcoin is trading at 26,000 at the time of recording. It looks like it's been going up for the day. Let's look at it real quick. So it looks like for the day it's up $504. You can see my investment right here. It's at total value at $3,346. I'm down $296 in unrealized gains. My return is minus 8.15% in Bitcoin. Ethereum, I'm down. Total returns is down $337. Today's return is up $14. And I do have 1 coin of Ethereum. And I'm dollar cost averaging into this. But right now I'm down in all of these plays. Even in Litecoin, I'm down $2.62. I have $17 in Litecoin, right, which is trading at $63 at the time of recording. And I've been dollar cost averaging into Litecoin as well. So the crypto portfolio remains at $6,400, still in that $6,000 range. We'll see what the next couple of weeks and months brings for the crypto market. Now I'm going to show you guys the Coinbase portfolio. And you guys can see here my assets. I'm up to $1,422. You can see in the past day it's been up $23. In the past week up $51. In the past month, down $215. In the past year, down $899. All time, down $1,514. So I've been dollar cost averaging as well into majority of these plays. Chainlink, which I feel is going to be a huge play in the long term. Algorand as well. Stellar Lumens, I'm just holding on to it until I start seeing green again. I definitely plan on selling my Stellar Lumens. Shiba Inu, I'm dollar cost averaging as well. Solana holding for the long term. Cardano definitely holding that, and Polkadot, Decentraland are all down in the portfolio. So I've been dollar cost averaging. I threw in, I believe, $5 into every play here except Ethereum, which I already have with Sofi. So Decentraland all the way up to Chainlink, I've been dollar cost averaging into majority of those plays. So I'm holding those for the bull market, which, like I said in my past videos, I predicted to be around the end of 2024, heading into 2025. So we definitely have some time to go, and I'm just accumulating whatever I can for this next bull run. So $1,421 in the Coinbase portfolio. Now let's head on to Acorns. I'll show you guys how that's looking. I threw $25 in here yesterday. So you can see my portfolio is at $40,364 combined with the latest account. So all time it's up $10,333, up 21.97%. You can see in the past day it's been down 159. In the past month it's been down 1,125. Year to date up 6,406. In the past year, up 6,157. The 5 year is 10,312 plus 10,312, and all time plus 10,338. I don't know if I could show you guys. Well, I can't show you guys the shares in this, but either way, you know, I have bonds and stocks in the Bitcoin ETF into the core account, and the laters is where the bonds are at. But you can see the breakdown: 37,000 in stocks, $722 in bonds, and $1,654 in the Bitcoin ETF, leaving me at 40,000 right now. So that's where the Acorns portfolio is at, and it looks like some transfers are still pending: a round of investment, a one-time contribution, and a recurring contribution in the laters and the regular core account. So Acorns at $40,000. Now let's head on to Robinhood. Show you guys my dividend investing with realty income, which you guys will see right here. My portfolio is now at $913. And that's mainly because I've been putting more money into realty income, which I've been buying the pullbacks. Right now trading at $55. Great buying opportunity for realty income. And you can see now I have 11 shares of realty income. Market value is at $609. Total returns are at minus $58.40. And today's return is only at $1.22. You can see my average cost is at $60.38. And I do have a dividend pending for September 15th of $2.56. So my goal eventually for this is to make some passive income with the dividends. Eventually trying to get it to pay my bills if I possibly can. Definitely going to take a while, but if I could continue building this up, I know I could definitely build it up to at least pay my phone bill or my car insurance, whatever the case may be. Just having some passive income is definitely a great idea in my opinion, whether it's through dividend investing or maybe your online business, whatever the case may be. Other sources of income is always great. So the Robinhood portfolio at 913. And I believe that's about it, guys. That's all I have for you guys today. So overall, the market, we'll go to Robinhood real quick just to look at how everything's going. Bitcoin is pretty much stagnant a lot, as well as the crypto market. So in my opinion, this is not financial advice. Definitely great buying opportunities. If we even pull back even more with Bitcoin and all these other plays, definitely buy more. And hold for the long term. And we'll look at the overall S&P. You can see the VOO down $1.25 for the day. In the past week, it's been down $6.10. In the past month, $1.28. But if we look at the 1 year chart, or we'll look at the 5 year, you can see it's up 53% in the past 5 years. So that's pretty darn good if you're holding this ETF in the long term. And a lot of these plays, the big name plays, Apple, some Microsoft, Amazon, a lot of these are great plays to hold on, especially for 5 years. We'll look at Apple real quick. You can see the 5 year chart in the past 5 years. It's been up 211%, which is pretty mind blowing. I mean, I don't know if I could show you guys here on Robinhood, but I wish I could show you guys the chart here real quick. I mean, just holding on to Apple or like any of these big name companies, big tech companies, like even Amazon we'll look at. If you're holding on for like the long term 5 year, you can see it's up 35% with Amazon. I believe because of that stock split, it affected it a bit. But we even look at Meta, for example. Meta, I remember Meta was down a lot in like the last couple of months. It took a huge uplift. You can see up 72% in the past 5 years. Max to date, up 688%. I mean, just holding on for the long term, you're going to see the benefits of holding on to a lot of these plays. So that's my encouragement to you guys. You guys got to be patient. Unless you're day trading some of these stocks or cryptos, whatever the case may be, holding on in the long term, in my opinion, definitely beats a lot of things like day trading. I know people might be like, oh, day trading, you can make money here and there real quick, but then you can also lose money real quick. So you got to keep that in mind. But if you're a professional day trader, hey man, my respect and props to you. But me, I'm a long-term guy. I think 5 years, 10 years from now. And especially with crypto, I definitely feel crypto is here to stay. And I plan to hold on to Bitcoin for a while. I definitely do plan on taking profits in this next bull run. This is just my opinion, of course. But I do want to have a little bit more money in my bank account and build up my savings account for more emergencies or anything that could possibly come my way. Obviously, just for emergencies, I would have to have a little bit more cash in there. So doesn't mean I'm giving up on cryptocurrency. I definitely feel like it's here to stay, in my opinion. But everyone has their opinions on that. So definitely do your own research. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, so definitely research your whatever crypto you want to get into or whatever stock you want to get into. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to hit that like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Appreciate all the support. I've been putting out a lot of shorts for you guys to kind of motivate you guys to stick with the plan for the long term, save, invest. Try not to overspend. Try not to spend on things you don't need, obviously. And definitely think about your future. It's for yourself and for your family as well. So all of this in the long term will definitely pay off, in my opinion. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave me your comments below. You can follow me on TikTok, on Instagram. You can sign up for any of these apps: Sofi, Acorns, Robinhood, Coinbase, Yotta. Definitely check out the links down below. Appreciate all the support, guys. I will see you guys on the next video. God bless you guys. Peace.